Are you tired of the limited Shopify export process for your fantastic products? Manual actions and costly, time-consuming custom exports can be a real headache. Enter DataChamp, the game changer you've been waiting for. With an integrated interface on Shopify, creating custom exports becomes a breeze. Choose from our templates or craft your own report effortlessly. Access all Shopify data, including custom attributes and meta fields, seamlessly. DataChamp is not just affordable but also user-friendly, earning its place among top-rated sales and order management apps. Customize everything, from calculations to data mappings. The scheduler automates your daily tasks, allowing you to effortlessly send emails or share files with partners. Look no further. DataChamp is your ultimate solution for Shopify data export. Try our free trial version now and revolutionize your exporting experience.